You want me to pull my pistol out? You would be a sensation then.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you? You had a rough day.
Well, at least it didn't get cut up the hay mower or building on the hay bale.
No, I just seen he was digging that hole there.
Digging this hole.
Yeah.
Digging this hole over here.
I was getting out of the way. So they will know.
What you got in the box, Jeffrey?
I've got some groundhog. He'd be a good lead in a week or two.
Well, I'm sure he would.
Yeah. Got Hatfield's mom make supper out of him. Her. Yeah, at least she didn't get killed.
Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy running through her groundhog hole in about a year.
Well, ain't none started right up there.
Yeah, he's got a whole wheelbarrow load of dirt. That must be his grandfather. What'd you name your groundhog, Jeffrey?
What's that? Weather groundhog.
Well, that's it.
Name him Lucky.
We may missing Charlene, the weather groundhog. Did it see its shadow? Can it see it? Boy, it's pretty lively, ain't it?
It's lively.
There, don't get bit now, again.
I done got bit once.
Can it see its shadow?
Yeah, I can see its shadow. You gonna keep him?
No, better turn him loose.
Huh?
Better turn him loose. I think he's past being a pet.
Good, get in there. Your brother or
Get in
sister
there.
one.
Go on. Don't go back in Hayfield to get hit, honey.
There he goes. That's his home. Home.